Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today I will show you how to remove show stickers from keyboard on iPhone. Let's go. Most often, stickers and labels are distinguished by their purpose. In this sense, the purpose of a sticker is said to be decoration or advertisement. Stickers can sometimes clutter up your keyboard and make it difficult to find the emojis you like. Luckily, there is a simple way to get rid of it. First of all, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down a bit and tap General. Now scroll down again and tap Keyboard. Scroll down to the very bottom and you'll see the Stickers option. All you have to do next is toggle off this switch to disable stickers on the emoji keyboard. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.